Okay, so let's start. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make balloon text in Blender. You can do this for any object, but I'm gonna show you for text. First delete the cube, and then I'm gonna add a plane. Scale it up around this much, and let's go into the top view by add a text. Move it up this much, and then to change the text, go into edit mode, and I'm gonna type just a capital A. Now I'm gonna scale the text up by this much, and then go into edit mode again, and over here in the object data properties, go into geometry, and then extrude it by 0.1. That much should be enough, and I'm gonna move it a bit down. Then on your keyboard press F3 and find convert and press this one, mesh from curve. Then so right now it's a little bit, its geometry is a little bit bad, so to perfect it I'm gonna go modifier tab and add a remesh. It will be like this. Go into sharp and give it 5 and then apply it. Okay, so now you can see it's better. Okay, now for the balloon text I'm gonna add a cloth modifier, and for the plane a collision modifier. Now press this. Right now if we play, it behaves like a normal cloth. We don't want that. We wanted balloon properties, so go into physics panel and turn on pressure, give it a pressure of 3 and turn on custom volume. I'm gonna shade smooth 7, top view mode, and now let's see. So it's now ballooned. So here you go. That's basically it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and for more please follow my channel as well. Thanks a lot.